Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm still quite sick, so if I cough or stop breathing during the video, worry. Today I'm going to do something that I surprisingly haven't done. I'm talking about steampunk, by the way. I absolutely love the entire, steampunk aesthetic. So as you can see, I have sketched out oh my god. I have sketched out where I wanted some of the designs to go for the body paint, and I'm first going first I am going to be doing the chest, because if I do the face first and then I have to move on to the chest, I know I'm going to be extremely bored and I'm not going to pay attention to details, so this is what I'm trying to avoid. I know myself. I have done one side just so I can see how I would like things to be. So as you can see, I have done the corset. I've also created these buckles. Are they called buckles? I don't speak English. And if you noticed, I put those upside down. They were supposed to be facing the other way around, but I noticed it after I was done doing them, so as a base color, I'm going to be using this metallic copper body paint. Right, now for the patch, I'm going to be using this bronzy body paint. I will go back to my chest, but first I'm going to fill in the corset with this dark red, I would say, cherry red. Now I'm going to take this pearlized black, again it's not the matte black, it's pearlized, and I'm going to add the black details, as you can see, below my neck and under the collar. And now with some pearlized pearl. I like girls. Why am I like this? Anyway, with this, I am going to add some highlights onto the buckles, and if they're not called buckles, I'm going to be really annoyed. And I'm of course going to shade around it with this black eyeshadow. And I'm going to create those black lines around the patches with black body paint once again. Oh, I'll have to go close to the mirror. Sorry. I am now going to shade around the patches, like here, if you notice, with this eyeshadow. Next I'm going to take this body paint again, the white-ish one, and I will just add a few highlights here and there. And lastly, I'm going to be taking a silver body paint and I will be creating screws. I may or may not have gotten a bit carried away with the gears, but what I'm basically doing here is, instead of creating a normal mouth like a normal human being, which is so not totally me, I am creating a mouth full of gears, and for that I'm just using random silvery or coppery type of body paint, and I'm going to add a few golden ones as well. And as you can see, I've done one side and I will move over to this one. First I'll be taking the bronze body paint once again and I will do the outside detail. And then using the same warm toned brown eyeshadow I used, this one I used earlier, I'm going to go over the gears and shade around the edges. And now I'm going to fill in everything with black body paint. Okay, so it's time for the beauty part. First I'm going to be using a primer on my face, or you know what's left of it. Then I'm going to add some foundation. Oh, it's on my hair. I'm now going to apply this concealer, and this is going to be the first time that I'll be using it, so let's see. It has a lot of coverage, I love it. And I'm going to powder everything. And I'm going to give some color to my face with this. And I brought you even closer because it's time for the eye makeup. I'm first going to be adding this eyeshadow on my crease. And I will also be taking it on my lower lash line. And I'll be cutting my crease using the same concealer as before. And I'm going to be placing this, where is it? This yellow eyeshadow on top of it. And I'm going to be adding this yellow glitter on top of it. And now I'm going to be adding black eyeliner on top. And I honestly feel like doing a cut crease with the eyeliner, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to add some black gel liner on my waterline. And since I have the gel liner on my hands, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. And I'm going to apply brow gel on my eyebrows. Next I will add mascara on top and bottom lashes. And lastly, I'll be adding these lashes. And lastly, I am going to be adding some highlight. So this was the video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Sunday as well as some Wednesdays. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye bye!